Hi, welcome to the ANY.RUN channel. ANY.RUN Interactive Malware Sandbox enables cybersecurity professionals to analyze threats in real time by interacting directly with malware in a virtual machine. With structured, ready-to-use reports and instant access to indicators of compromise, your team can cut investigation time and handle more incidents without extra staffing, keeping response costs under control. It's essential to save and share your reports for further investigation. And ANY.RUN allows you to do it effortlessly and with just one click. Today, we'll show you how to export analysis results in ANY.RUN Interactive Sandbox. Let's open any finished sandbox session. Click Text Report at the top menu. It's a ready-made solution, so you don't need to write a malware report manually. Information is displayed conveniently, so you can easily find whatever you need. The report contains all the details of the analysis in a well-organized format. You can customize an HTML report and choose what sections to include. Adjust the document online, share it, print it, or get the report via API. Click the Process Graph tab to view all processes in a clear, structured layout, which is especially helpful when the processes tree is large. You'll get a clean, scalable image that clearly shows how processes were spawned, injected, and how they interacted with each other or with the system. It's great for spotting patterns and suspicious activity fast. Go to Export and click Process Graph SVG. ANY.RUN helps you understand malware tactics and techniques by automatically mapping observed threat behavior to the MITRE attack framework. This is helpful for tracking attacker tactics and aligning with threat intelligence solutions. To view this, simply click the Attack button. Next is AI Summary. Click the button to get a clear summary of the entire analysis. AI reports are highly useful when you need detailed, easy-to-understand perspective on the threat. This report summarizes the session and highlights traits that may indicate malicious activity. For more details, click the AI icon next to any process or event. It's perfect for speeding up triage, reviewing unknown threats, or sharing with non-technical teams. Click the Export button to access additional export options, including formats suited for SIM integration and automation workflows. These formats are designed for streamlined sharing of indicators and improved collaboration across your team and security infrastructure. Select All Data to get a full archive: HTML, JSON, sticks, MISP, PCAP, SSL keys, process graph, screenshots, everything in one place. Captured network traffic in PCAP format and SSL keys for decrypting HTTPS traffic are available for download to support deeper analysis and reporting. Empower your team with faster incident investigation through tailored customization, detailed reports, and unlimited sandbox sessions. ANY.RUN's cloud-based interactive sandbox enables secure analysis of threats across Windows, Linux, and Android in under 40 seconds, without the need for complex on-premise systems. Gain actionable insights and respond to more threats with greater speed and efficiency. Contact us today to request a trial of ANY.RUN services for your company. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.